Hi guys, welcome back. For you to be watching this video, it means you've done the preliminary registrations and you've verified your email. Once your email is verified, all you need to do is click on sign in, which will bring you to the authentication page. Then you enter your email and the password you used in registering. You can choose to remember me and log in. And voila, we are in here. But then the next phase requires us to complete our vendor profile. So first of all, we have to provide our business name. We're going to name this business More Art. Our business description will make the best artwork for home and office in Lagos. We select the business type. Let's categorize it in order. He is in business 2, and we click on next. We can provide our phone number. Our email is already there. We enter our business address. City, Lagos. State, Lagos. Our postal code. And we click on next. Now here, as a vendor, you're required to provide at least one legal document. You see the message here says, to comply with Nigerian business regulations, we require at least one legal identification document. Your account will remain pending until documents are verified by our admin team. So you're required to provide either an international passport, a driver's license, a voter's card, or a CAC certificate. Now, the advantage of using a CAC certificate to verify your account is that you stand a higher chance of getting a verification badge much faster. You know what a verification badge does? It helps to it sends a message to customers that you are trusted, and they feel more comfortable buying from you. So, but if you don't have a CAC certificate, you can use either of these documents. So for the sake of our demonstration, I'm going to be making use of my voter's card. So I open my computer and I select my voter's card, and that is the last thing to do for this stage, and then I submit my profile and we'll wait a few seconds and it submits, and we get this pop-up that says your verification request is under review. This typically takes 1 to 3 business days and tells us the day we submitted. What happens next? Our admin team will review your submitted documents. You receive an email notification once reviewed. Review typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Check our blog for more information while waiting. Yeah, you can go to this blog to read more about Afiaprime while you wait 1 to 3 business days for your account to be verified. Yeah, you see, registering, simple and straightforward. So after you get to this point, I encourage you to check your email regularly to look out for a message from admin. Yeah, so in the next video, we'll look at post or verification processes, what you do after you get verified. Yeah, check out the next video.